Good morning, gentlemen. I am, as always, running behind, so we're going to keep it moving fast. I had to reboot my computer this morning. Oh, sure. Okay, yeah, I had to reboot my computer this morning, so um, I'm having to wait for this thing to fire up, and it's going to be real fast. I'm just going to go over the trade that we were in, the KMB. That's Kimberly. That is a company that makes they're actually whenever you go to a public bathroom, that's where the toilet paper comes from. That's a company that does paper products, and so they're all over the country. One of those companies that you don't think about until you need them, if you know what I mean. All right, this is this one. I'm just going to go to the paper account so we can do this real fast because I am late in the day. It's already 17 after, and I've got to get on the road by about 20 by 30. I mean, I need to be on the highway at 30. So this will be very, very fast. We're just going to look and see if price is where we need it to be, at or above 103. And really, there's nothing to do with it until tomorrow. I mean, it's Thursday, so we wait until the end of day tomorrow. Um, and that's where we are. We're just waiting to see what happens with that. And oh, I guess I could look at that. No, don't have time. All right, so we're gonna go. We're just gonna look at. Did I have something in that motion? Probably in that. All right. Oh, okay. I did do that one here as well. I took this trade in reality. It's a H&R Block, which is a local company that does taxes. And I took this trade. I bought it for $2.70. So I bought the right to buy that share of H&R Block at $45. Um, Clear out into May. Now the reason I did that, I am going against myself here, but to, to talk myself through it as well, is I looked at where it was in itself when I got into the trade, which was, I think I did this on the same day, 15th of May. No, I did the trade on the 15th of December. So a couple days ago, it was on its way up from a low. What I did was I looked at a screener on my Webull account, and it just was showing me companies that are at a 52-week low. And so I saw that this is where the stock was trading way down here. It's normally up in here with some spikes, and that's where it stays. It dropped last year, and then of course, and then there were some drops earlier last month. But in looking for a rebound, because they deal with taxes, my thought was that by May of next year, and probably March or April, it'll start to go up because of the use of the what am I trying to say? Yeah, see, and then seasonality adjusted shows that it normally does go kind of works its way up through the year. So yes, dear, I'm on my way upstairs in just a minute. I know, I know. Bye, love. All right, so that's that on that, and then we're gonna move to the actual trade that we've been following, and we're just gonna look at it real fast because I have got to go. And all we're looking to see is where's price versus where we need it and all of that, right? It's still in that range, still has not gone above, but look where it is right now, 102.94. 103 is the magic spot where it will get taken from us, because it will get taken from us either way. And this is just some market mechanics of it because it's a contract that is worth something, and we have it. So we have the obligation to buy that stock for $103. I'm sorry, to sell that stock for $103 on Friday or after the Friday close. So the actual broker will close it even if the person doesn't. Like if it was 104.67, that person didn't make enough money to make their money on the deal, but the broker is still going to take that and sell it, cash that out on us. So we're still going to have to satisfy that contract if it's above 103. That's okay, because once again, we paid less than that for it, first off. Secondly, we got a commission, a premium for the act of buying that. So that's the trade, and that's it. We're just waiting until Friday. So I've got to get to work, and hopefully you are following, and we'll start to look at more trades because it's slow. The purpose is to go slow, and I will start using live uh, money next week and show you small growth uh, over time, because we don't need it all we need is 1% every week, and sometimes we get 2%, like we did here, where we got 2% of the $103. We got $2. So all right, goodbye, 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 goodbye. Gotta stop sharing and gotta go.